Good afternoon, madam. My name is Tang Xuan Liang from Section 6. So what is the web service? In my opinion, web service is software system or application that provide a standardized way for different software application to communicate and exchange data over the internet. It allows disparate system developed on different platforms and using different technology to interact with each other seamless. Web services are built on standard web protocols such as HTTP, XML, or JSON for data representation. And then they follow a client-server architecture where a client application requests data or functionality from a server hosting and web service, and the server responds with the request information. So far, the program that I have learned are applicable NetBeans and also Stop UI. The problem that used in Africa NetBeans is the name of the file cannot be repeated. From my experience, I have deleted the previous file and create a new file with the same name, but the new project cannot run as well. So I solved the problem by creating a different names project. For version 1, we need to run the project first by clicking the run at here, and then we need to wait until the server to successful. Now it is successful, and then we need to click on the web service at here to test the web service. And then we can get the WSDL file at here. And then after that, we can save it. And then after that, we go to Shop UI. And then in the Shop UI, we can click on the file to create a new Shop project. And then we need to add calculate. And then we browse the file that we saved just now. And then now we will get the sub request at here. And then if we want to get the sub response, we can click the button of it, and then we will get the sub response. Then for question 2, the description of web service is contained in a WSDL file, which is web service description language file. It acts as a standardized web form or framework for describing the specific of a web service, facilitating interoperability and also communication between various applications and platforms. The main justification for requiring a description via a WSDL file are service discovery, understanding service operation, data type definition, and also service endpoint. For question 3, in my opinion, the mapping between SOAP and WSDL elements can vary depending on the specific context and also implementation. The WSDL file describes the structure, operation, and endpoint of web service, while the SOAP message conform to the structure during communication. The WSDL element can be defined by 4 elements, which is type, port type, binding, and also meshes. For port types, it means the operation performed by the web service, while the message is the message used by the web service. The types is the data type used by the web service, and the binding is the communication protocol used by the web service.